Just staring awkwardly. I'm just staring awkwardly into the camera.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can
Racing.
How's it going?
And Larry. We're going to get some prizes tonight. So the Ranger that we won down at the Freedom Factory in the Danger Ranger 9000, bone stock. Nothing exciting about it. Our plan is enter in the burnout contest at Cleetus and Cars the day after
the 2.4
hours of leMullets or leMullets, whatever the hell they call it. We're gonna go get some nitrous. So Larry just went back, changed. It's all nice and clean now. I'm still dirty.
Well, it's because we know who does the work around here.
Larry's the worker. I just point fingers and yeah. So we're gonna go get some nitrous. Came off my buddy's Mustang. Don't know what year it is. 4-banger Mustang, and it blowed up. So we got our toolkit, some dikes, lights, GoPro. And that's about it. So we're gonna go see what we can do. Get some nitrous. Anything to say, Larry?
Well, we just want to kind of apologize for. It's been a week since we put a video up. We've been kind of busy here at the shop trying to get everything caught up and stay up because, as y'all know, we're leaving for Florida in a couple days. So we want to make sure everything's up to par. We don't want to leave a whole lot of cars here undone.
And it's tire season, as you can see.
So we're gonna hopefully be back on schedule doing weekly uploads, and we just gotta find some content. Unfortunately, it's becoming winter around here. It's cold, it's 37 degrees out, so there's not a whole lot of racing going on. So we gotta try and find some content for you guys. So bear with us, we'll do our best.
Down the light. I'm right here. Right there.
Right there. What we do for fun.
We're stealing nitrous off this car.
Why, you ask? It's called Burnout at Freedom Factory.
The new Ranger needs to have nitrous. And we're not independently wealthy yet, so we're stealing nitrous off one of my buddy's car to put on our Ford Ranger. And for the record, everybody, you can see me. It's about 36 degrees out. And Larry has a t-shirt on.
Get ready for the 70-degree weather we're going to in Florida. Did you see in Cleetus' video when they're doing the boat one where he's like, it's a little chilly here, it's 74 degrees out.
Yeah. I watched an old video the other day of them getting ready to go to the World Cup. First time we've seen snow in a couple years. It was snowing by us today.
I see. We're not quite sure what happened here, but something happened. So that's why we're stealing the nitrous. He ain't gonna be using it. I just want to know who in their right mind buys a 4-cylinder Mustang.
No, okay. Pull it out, sir. Wait. Alright, go ahead.
We're stuck.
What?
I don't know. There we go. Got it.
Down the light. It's muscle into the nitrous. Just kidding. That's EVAP. This car was in the 11s.
Was it?
Yeah.
Boost the nitrous.
Boost the nitrous. Alright, we got everything we needed. We got any funny stuff in here?
Oh yeah.
Here, I'll get the camera. Alright.
Good thing we know where to go get one filled.
Yep.
We're back.
And
as you saw, it was in a field. And it was supposed to be already taken out. The only thing we were supposed to have to do was take the one line off. Well, it was still all hooked up, as you saw us taking it apart in the 30-degree dark.
I had leaves in my perm.
But it's what we do to make some good content.
And as you see, wait, before Larry gets into what we had, but see all these nitrous bottles here? They're just sitting here, wasting away in that fill station that's just sitting there, wasting away. Because it's not racing season anymore in New York. We gotta use them somewhere.
We should have just put this in the bed of the truck.
We should.
Our nitrous kit. It's only a little tiny little thing. We don't even know. I'm guessing maybe a 7,500 horse shot. But you got to remember, it's only a 3-liter. We don't want to burn it down in 2 seconds.
Yes, we do.
I want to get some burnout, some time out there, and see what we can do. See if we can have some fun. And if it eventually blows up, that's kind of the game. That's what we're hoping for. Put on a good show for you guys out there.
We're hoping for smoke from the tires and from the engine compartment with this jobby. You got a bottle? Wait.
Oh, they know it's full. They saw it.
Does this work? Does it work?
Here. You video before you put it right in my face.
Oh, yep, it works. Okay, nitrous works. I don't know what we're thinking with this. or why we're wasting our time, but I mean, Cleetus gave us a truck, so might as well just beat the hell out of it. Pardon my French.
You saw it. You saw in his video when he was announcing that they were the toughest things out there, the Rangers. So we'll see how tough the thing is. Can it handle a 2-minute burnout on 100 horse of nitrous?
Or a 30-second burnout with 150 shot of nitrous. Because I don't like to go lightly on things, so we might really spice her up. Maybe we'll put 2 kits on it, Larry.
Well, that would be twice as fun.
And we haven't decided what tires.
I'll have 2 buttons.
Yeah, Larry's got 2 buttons. We got buttons in stock. Motion Raceworks buttons in stock. We haven't decided if we're going to run the mud tires on it or the stock wheels and tires off of our Danger Ranger.
So why don't you guys put a comment down. Tell us what you think. Do we run the off-road tires that are on it, or do we put more of a all-season tire on it to where we can really burn them up? Just put a comment. Let us know what you think, and we'll go with whoever comes up with the most comments on there.
And if anybody's wondering, we have not a clue in the world what gear ratio is in this thing. I don't know if it's a limited slip. I don't really know anything about this Ranger other than this guy. Pretty awesome roll bar with lights on the back. I'm letting Larry in the driver's seat this one, so Larry's gonna get some seat time. First time ever being in a Ford Ranger competitively.
That's so funny. Competitively. Ford Ranger.
So yeah, we're gonna be entering the new Ford Ranger in Cleetus and Cars Burnout Contest, and the Impala will be in it, obviously. That is already down in Florida, so that basically started up, and that just blows the tires off anyways. This thing's gonna...
Needs a little help.
Yeah, the Ranger needs a little help. We're also looking for, if anybody else sees this and you're gonna be in the area down there, we're looking for somebody with a portable welder so we can weld the spider gears in the Ranger so it can spin 2 tires, not 1. Because
that's no fun.
1-wheel squeals are for amateurs like Larry. And we want to make him a professional burnout king.
I gotta be able to wing that thing around.
Yeah. And not flip it over. So yeah, if anybody is in the Bradenton area or surrounding areas on the week of the 19th,
we'll be down
we'll
there.
be down there on the 16th. Which is a Wednesday. No, Tuesday. We'll be down there Tuesday the 16th. And we would really like to weld the rear diff. If we can't pull it off, I'll be putting a lunchbox style locker in it, like what's in the back of the Danger Ranger, which is a mechanical ratcheting locker, nothing crazy. Only problem is they're $400, and
this is fun. We don't want to spend a whole lot of money.
Yeah, this isn't for competition, really. It's just a Southern bone stock 2-wheel drive mud truck, 2-wheel drive mud truck.
That's never been stock. That's what Cleetus said to us.
I've seen it stuck.
Yeah, exactly.
I've seen JH try to rip his rear bumper off with it unintentionally, thanks to George. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can not blow it up.
No, we don't care if we blow it up.
Okay. Yeah, because we're gonna do something with it. I don't know if we're gonna LS swap it, big block swap it, electric motor swap it, because that's the thing going on right now, or put a 4-cylinder in it, or Cummins. That'd be cool. All right, I'm getting off track. So yeah, nitrous kit going in. The Danger Ranger 2.0 victim. That's probably not going to make it to Danger Ranger 2.0 because Larry's going to blow it up. Because we're spraying 64, 128, and another 64. I don't know, 200 pounds of nitrous through it.
Do we bring that with us?
All 3 of them.
I don't know.
I wonder if we're allowed to refill our nitrous in the leMullets.
Oh God! Here we go.
We're gonna get some slack here.
Here goes the internet.
Yeah, we're gonna bring all of this so we can, when I come back in or when Archie comes back in, we can refill it.
Oh God!
Yeah, because you guys all know that our Danger Ranger had nitrous. No, it's an electric fan switch.
I think that's going to be it for tonight. I want to thank everybody for subscribing. We're growing. It's pretty cool to see. You know, all the comments, good, bad, indifferent, doesn't really matter. We like to see them all. I'm not sure. Somewhere here, somewhere there's going to be that subscribe button.
There.
Make sure you hit it. Make sure you hit the notification. Make sure you put a comment like we asked. Let us know what tires you think we should run. Should we keep the stock ones that are on there, mud tires, and should I burn them off, or should we save them and put some radial junkers on there and try to pop 2 tires? So let us know.